Hey guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to target people that viewed your products in your Instagram shop and then went to your actual website. We have to remember that the customer now is going to look at different parts of your store. So they'll look at your Instagram shop, they'll look at the website, they may check out your Facebook page, they may check out your YouTube channel, they may go to Google. There's there's different touch points that the customer is going to go through as part of the buyer's journey before they make the decision to buy from you. And this way of going to your Instagram shop and then going to your website is part of that customer journey. And now Meta allows us to target people who have gone through that process. And I'll show you guys step by step how to do that. So guys, you know me, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. This way of targeting is super important purely because of the fact that it's very in line with how people behave online. Usually what happens is that if someone sees your ad or if someone sees your product online or anything like that, sometimes they'll go to your Instagram page or they'll go to Google, and then they'll see that, oh, you've got an Instagram shop. So they'll go to your Instagram page again, and then they'll click on your Instagram shop, they'll check out the products. If they're not ready to buy, then they'll maybe go onto your website to see if you've got more products, or they'll go on there to know more about the company and stuff like that. This way of targeting is super effective, right? Because it gets your customer in that consideration journey. Because if they're looking at your products, looking at your website, they're in that consideration phase of that buying process, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you got to do, as we're here in the ads manager right now, all you got to do is click here, click all tools, then go to audiences. Then when you get to audiences, click create audience, then click custom audience. Then once you've done that, you have all these different options. You got your sources right here, and you got meta sources, right? This is on platform, on the Facebook, Instagram, family of apps. This is on platform. Whereas your sources, this is basically outside of Facebook. So the website, basically outside of it, right? Then here, what you want to do, you want to select shopping right here. Then once you've done that, you just click next. Once you get here, you're going to see this pop-up right here. This pop-up is going to show up, right? You want to have this as any. You want to select Instagram. It will give you two options, Facebook page or Instagram. You want to select Instagram because we're trying to target people that went to your Instagram shop. Then you click here. You come here to events. Then when you get to events, you click here. Then you select this option right here. It says people who viewed products and navigated to website. Includes people who viewed a product details page through your Facebook or Instagram shop, then navigated to your website. Right? This option is available globally and doesn't require checkout to be enabled. So this option should be available for everybody. I love targeting this because this gets people while they're considering. So when people are in the consideration phase, you want to hit ads. You want to hit them with ads such as free shipping, discounts, give them value, give them a reason to buy. Because in that consideration stage, you're not the only brand that they're considering from buying or checking out. There's probably a whole bunch of other competitors that they're thinking about. So in terms of the ad creative, you want to make sure that you're serving them ad creative that is going to get them over the line to convert. Yeah. You select this, the retention, you want to put this at 180 days. And guys, see where it says professional account? This is obviously where you choose your actual Instagram page right here. Right here. Then here, once you've done that, you basically name the audience. And then once you've done all that, you just click create audience. Now, once you've created audience, right? Now, when you're creating the ads, you basically just got to go into the custom audience section when you're building the ad and basically put the audience that you just created into there. And what's going to happen is that as you're building your ads, it will then target the people who have viewed products and then navigated to website. So guys, please use this. Please use this as part of your marketing strategy, because more and more people are going to Instagram shops these days. More and more people are shopping through Instagram shop, right? So that's a lot of data signals that we don't want to miss out on and create audiences from that we can then target with Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So guys, do this. As usual, if you want to learn more stuff, click the link in my bio. I've got a Skillshare class that teaches TikTok ads as well as Facebook ads. Check that out. The link is in the description. And as usual, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Take care, guys.